Well, Kushala, the daughter of ADGP P. Ravindranath, who has been hitting headlines after his alleged indecent behavior in public, has reacted to the controversy. Speaking to News 9, Kushala stated that her father is innocent and that the entire controversy is being hyped out of proportion. My colleague Nolan spoke to her a while ago, and this is what she had to say.
In fact, we now have with us ADGP P. Ravindranath's daughter, Kushala. Kushala, thank you for joining us over here. But first of all, what do you have to say about what all has been happening here?
What's happening there?
As in the entire controversy that your father has been blamed here that he was taking obscene pictures of two women.
Yes, my father is not such a kind of person who could do such an act. He gives a lot of respect to every woman out there. I don't know why people are people are not misunderstanding also. They know that Papa didn't do it. I have, and they don't believe it also.
All right. Now he says that he's being framed by the Bangalore City Police Commissioner.
Sound. What happened? Sound.
Well, Kushala, if you can hear me, he says that he's being framed by the Bangalore City Police Commissioner.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know much about that. But see, I cannot speak such thing. My father doesn't involve me in such official stuff. I can't talk about such things because I don't know about them. I don't know anybody. We don't go to parties with officials, and we don't have such. I've never been with many of the police officers to talk about them, so I have no clue about this issue regarding the police officers and everything. But I can tell you what kind of a person my father is.
Please do tell us.
What do you want me to tell? Like,
you said you can tell us more about your father.
Yes, he's very sincere, honest. He does his work every day, very sincerely. He believes work is worship, and he doesn't bring work and office matters into the house. So we don't know much about this. He likes to lead a different kind of life with us. That is his personal life and the other public life. So that's different.
All right, now
yes, tell me.
Kushala, how has this now affected your family?
My family was affected on Tuesday. Tuesday, my family had been affected, but now it's not. My family is proud of my father. Tuesday, why would I say affected? Because Tuesday we thought, oh my God, people are not believing. People are thinking that Papa really did that, because that's how news media and all showed. So we were really strange. It was really strange to hear such things. Not only for me, everybody who heard this issue or this news, they have come out the next day. So you could see how aggressive they were to hear such things about a person like my father. But the next day they've come and they've changed the whole scenario.
All right. Now, Kushala, what did your dad tell you about what happened there at that cafe on Cunningham Road? What did he tell you?
My father didn't tell me anything regarding this. I came to know in the morning when Tuesday morning. Yes, Tuesday morning I came to know when I read the newspaper, and he saw me reading the newspaper, and then he looked at me and he told, see, this is what happened. Yeah, so I'm like, Papa, is this all true? Like, that girl has not slapped me. Public didn't create an issue there. There's so many things which he told that it's been given wrongly in Bangalore Mirror. Bangalore Mirror is giving all fake news to the people. I don't know why. It's totally fake which they're telling. Then they have already accused my father in Bangalore Mirror. You know that? Other newspapers, when I read through it, they were like, the person they have not confirmed that my father is the paper. But in Bangalore Mirror, they have confirmed. They told ADGP who took pictures. how can they confirm without taking investigation, without doing the investigation? That's my question. See, we cannot tell anything without proof and evidences. But in Bangalore Mirror, they are telling everything like that. They're just creating the situation. Because the CCTV was not there at that point, they are making their own stories. I hope you can understand.
Did you speak to the editor of Bangalore Mirror, the reporter, about this? Because you said that they have already accused him.
See, till yesterday, I have not spoken to any media. I have not indulged in this matter because my father told me, don't involve in this. Your education is more important. You have to study, concentrate on that. This I'll come out very successfully. Don't worry about me. I'm absolutely good and I'll fight it out.
Okay, now considering, Kushala, what all has happened, what are your friends talking about this? Have you spoken to them? Have they come and spoken to you about this? Are they asking you questions?
No, my friends are they're like, how can this happen to uncle? We know uncle from when we were young. My father used to take my friends. You know, friends means girls, young girls. They were very young that time. He used to take us to police mess. He used to play with us. He used to be very friendly to us. He used to not be like an IPS officer, so he never showed that to my friends either. When they come, during any PTA meeting or any meeting in colleges and schools, he used to come, ask them, how did you do? How was your result? All the best. What are you going to become? Like that. That was a conversation with my father and my friends.
All right.
And all my friends who are very close to me know my father really well from childhood.
Now, Kushala, considering what has happened, you saw yesterday the police from the KSRP, constables coming out, protesting, supporting your father. How did you feel when you saw that?
I was it was very surprising to see such people. I know Papa is good, he has done some good work, but I never knew so many things he has done. I didn't know so many things was being done in KSRP, about the grounds. I did visit once, there are a few grounds under Papa's name also there, but I don't know this much is there, I didn't know at all. It was very recently, that was yesterday I came to know that Papa had so much a fan following. And he doesn't like publicity, Papa doesn't like publicity at all. He does his work every day. This also today issue because it's so big that we are coming into media, otherwise we wouldn't have.
Now, Kushala, have you met the Bangalore Police Commissioner Raghavendra Auradkar?
No, I haven't met him. I don't know much about him. Papa doesn't want his family members to involve with his officials and all because, I don't know, he doesn't like it. So I have never spoken to my father colleagues. Very few of them, when they come home, I just say hello, we just have a good day, that's all.
All right, now you said that, Kushala, you said that he never brings work home, but have you ever heard him speak to anyone about Bangalore City Police Commissioner Raghavendra Auradkar? Anything?
See, my father is not taking anybody's support. He is doing everything by himself. He has given his resignation also, telling people that I don't want to take influence from the police. As a common man, I want to do all this. If this has happened to an ADGP officer, a high-ranked police officer, it can happen to anybody else. So, when people have taken this as such a big issue, as a common man, Papa wants to fight. But that people don't want to. They want Papa to stay because once the resignation is taken, he won't work for the police there. And the KSRP people are not ordinary people. They have, yesterday I was listening to them. It seems they struggle every day. Once they leave their home, it takes them days and weeks to come back. It is such a situation. There, those people go to places where there's some fights or some riots taking place and all. So.
All right, now
they're leading such a very difficult life. So because that leader is not there with them, they're finding it very difficult to survive later. Because my father, it seems, I don't know much. They are telling it makes me feel really happy to hear such things about my father. told by them that he has put summer camp, he plays with those young girls there, he encourages sports, and he doesn't like such people and constables to work, do such things like sweeping and working in police officers' houses, which is really bad. They have to work for the people, they have to be there when there is any fight happening in the city. So that's what his opinion about the KSRP constables, and he has done very good to them, and that's what is making them feel bad, and they don't want to leave their leader. They want him to lead them more, they want him to do more good things and do great